This is my 1995 Nutone Decorator GE vent ceiling fan. The blades are just one color, they're white on both sides. I do plan on getting a light kit for this because the last fan I had in here had a light kit and I just put this up yesterday. I've always wanted one of these GE vent fans, so I got one, and this one's really nice. The motor does not hum or anything like that. There's a little bit of bearing noise when it's on high and medium. I expect that'll go away. It doesn't look like this fan has really been used much. It's very clean. It's in very good shape. It doesn't wobble much at all. Did not have to use a balancing kit. It is reversible because it's got the switch on that side. I will go ahead and turn it on high. If I can reach over here without tripping on a bunch of crap, let me go on this side actually. Okay, here's high. I know it's kind of hard to see because it's dark in here, but yeah, runs pretty fast, moves a decent amount of air, little bit of bearing noise. Go down to medium. Again, I'm sorry the lighting is shitty in here. And go down to low. This fan has a spinner motor. And there you go. That is it for this one. It's by the way, this is a 52-inch fan if I didn't mention that before. Thanks for watching.